Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate image in RawTherapee. So if your photo is somehow sideways in portrait versus landscape or something, so what you need to do is just look for the toolbar at the top. You will see it here where you see this hand tool, spot white balance and so on. If you go to the right, you will see more option here, and one of them are here at the end: rotate left, rotate right, flip horizontally, flip vertically. So this is basically what we are looking for, as you can see, just like that. Now I can just rotate to the right, back to the left, and to the left, just like that. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the